Hi you guys, hi friends, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. Today I have this super adorable, light, but really cutie pastel look for you guys. I have this adorable pink lip that is a new lipstick. I'm so excited to share it with you guys, and I am just super stoked to hop right into this tutorial. I'm not going to keep you guys too long, so without further ado, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up for me. Make sure y'all are subscribed to my channel, turn on those notification bells, and we can hop right in. Okay guys, so as you can see, I already have my base on. I have like a light brow and just a little foundation, some blush. I'm going to be starting off today by using a white concealer to actually prep my eyes because I am using more pastel colors and I do want them to show as much as they possibly can and be as pigmented as I want them to be and as true to the colors as they are. I'm using my Stay Naked by Urban Decay. For my eyeshadow palette today, guys, I'm using my Mercury Retrograde palette by Huda Beauty, and I'm diving into this purple shade Libra over here. My boyfriend's a Libra, and I'm just using my Sigma E25 brush, and I'm gonna be creating kind of a shape that goes like this, you know, like swoops out and swoops back in. This is similar to the shape I did in my Makeup by Mario video. I'll link that up above for you guys. Now guys, very lightly, I'm going to be taking that same white concealer and I'm going to very lightly, not so heavy on the cut crease, but just enough to kind of erase some of that purple, you guys know what I mean, and start a fresh, clean base for the colors I'm going to lay on top of it over my lid. So as you guys can see, very little and not very sharp and clean at all. It's rather messy actually. Now you guys, I'm going to be going in with this shade Haze right over here. It is this beautiful like teal blue. Just taking a flat tip brush and applying that to my outer corner. When I say outer corner, I mean like the outer corner of my lid area, not my actual outer corner. So I have this here and I'm just dragging this down and kind of leaving this top half a little bit white. Now I don't want that too defined. I don't really want it too blended either. And now I'm going to be going in with my MAC eyeshadow. This is Chrome Yellow. It is so pretty. And I'm going to be applying that kind of slanted over in like the very center of my lid next to that blue shade. So as you guys can see, I'm just going back and forth with some brushes. I'm using a few blending brushes just to really make sure that it's blended, but it's not overly blended because I don't want it to turn like a really ugly green color, you know? But I do want there to be some gradual fade in the yellow and the blue. Next, with my Sigma E20 brush, I'm going to be going in with this Supermoon shade over here. It is this really beautiful silvery white with like pink undertones glitter. It's really beautiful. And I'm just going to be applying that right over here in my inner corner and flaring that up a bit. Now using an angled brush and this Hot Mess shade over here, I'm just gonna do kind of like a little smoked out half wing, not really, but just on the very edges, like very, very end over here to make it a tiny little bit more defined. And because of the way my eye shape is, so I'm actually connecting like right over here. So there's this small gap right there. I want to take where my eye is at its lowest point and just go straight like that. So it kind of makes my eye less round when I'm looking forward, if that's making sense. This is just for my personal eye shape. If you have round eyes, this is a really good trick to connect this upper part to the lower area like that. If you have already really almond eyes, this is going to just be like a super duper cat eye for you if you try to do this look. So just so you know, little tidbit if you guys have round eyes. And also guys, I'm just blending this out a little bit with that same Libra shade just to really tie everything together, make it nice and smooth. Now you guys, I'm gonna be going in with this shade Utopia right over here. It's this really cute peachy, orangey, pinkish shade, and just applying that to my bottom lash. Only halfway though, I don't wanna drag so much into that lovely dark purple that we just put in there. And I'm just going over the whole lower lash line with that same, I'm not adding any more products, but that same brush that I used to have Libra on it and smoke out this purple over here. I'm gonna throw on some lashes off camera, guys. I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I threw on some falsies. I also threw some mascara on my bottom lashes. Now we're going in with lips. I'm using this beautiful NARS lipstick in the shade Roman Holiday. This was in my NARS haul that my boyfriend picked for me. I will also link that video up above for you guys if you want to check it out. And I'm just sculpting that a little bit with my lip brush. I literally love this lipstick so much because, as you guys know, I'm not really into crazy colors, but this is a super sheer, super just like toned down. It's not so in your face pink, but it's still really pink and really cutie. And I'm just going to clean up some of my edges now. So this is the finished look, you guys. This is actually super wearable, even though we were experimenting with some crazier, more bold colors here. I really love the way that this turned out. I think it is just so perfect for any occasion. It's very, very wearable again. So you really can dress this up, do it super casual, anything you feel like. And yeah, I just loved doing this look for you. I really love using colors, really bold colors in my eyeshadow look. So I really hope that you guys enjoy that also. Without further ado, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up for me. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, turn on those notification bells, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.